Hi Sarah. How are you today? Hi Sarah. How are you today? Hello Mary. I am fine, thank you. Hello Mary. I am fine, thank you. That's great. How was your weekend? That's great. How was your weekend? It was good. I visited my grandparents. It was good. I visited my grandparents. Wonderful. Did you enjoy your time? Wonderful. Did you enjoy your time? Yes, I had a lot of fun with them. Yes, I had a lot of fun with them. That's nice to hear. By the way, I heard you want to be a teacher. That's nice to hear. By the way, I heard you want to be a teacher. Yes, I love teaching children. Yes, I love teaching children. That's fantastic. Teaching is rewarding. That's fantastic. Teaching is rewarding. I hope I can inspire students. I hope I can inspire students. You will. It takes passion and dedication. You will. It takes passion and dedication. I will do my best to help them. I will do my best to help them. I am sure you will become a great teacher. I am sure you will become a great teacher. Thanks, Mary. Your support means a lot. Thanks, Mary. Your support means a lot. You're welcome, Sarah. Anytime you need help, ask me. You're welcome, Sarah. Anytime you need help, ask me. That's very kind of you. Thanks. That's very kind of you. Thanks.